Mark with Arrow Ambulances here. We continue to get calls every day from customers that are frustrated from what they're hearing from other manufacturers as far as lead times on ambulances. They're being told anywhere between 2, 3, 4 years for a replacement truck. We know a lot of you can't wait that long. So we've got production slots and chassis available. And whether you're looking for a turnkey or a remount in both the Type 3, like a Ford E450 or a Chevy G4500, or if you're looking for a Type 1 heavy-duty chassis in either a Ram or a Ford, in either the diesel or gas platform, we've got options. So if you want to talk a little bit more about a production slot and how we can best fit your needs, feel free to give me a call. We got lots of options.